What if I told you there's a mechanic in Wisconsin who's driven the same Toyota Prius for 15 years and just hit 1.2 million miles, and it's not even close to dying? Today, I'm revealing the exact 20-step formula that professional mechanics use to turn any car into a million-mile machine. Stick around until the end because I'll show you the single $15 trick that prevents 80% of catastrophic engine failures. But first, hit that subscribe button. You're about to become your neighborhood's go-to car expert. The foundation, where million-mile dreams begin. Here's what separates million-mile cars from 150,000-mile junkers. It's not luck, it's not the brand, it's following a systematic approach that treats your car like the precision machine it actually is. Secret number 20, the golden startup sequence. Your engine is essentially a controlled explosion chamber operating at temperatures that would melt aluminum foil instantly. When you turn that key, hundreds of metal components need to work in perfect harmony. Here's what 90% of drivers do wrong. They fire up their engine and immediately drive like they're escaping a zombie apocalypse. The right way: give your oil exactly 45 seconds to circulate in winter, 15 seconds in summer. Then drive like your grandmother is holding a wedding cake in the passenger seat for the first 3 miles. Why? Because cold oil is basically thick honey trying to squeeze through tiny passages. Those first few seconds of startup cause more engine wear than the next 500 miles of normal driving combined. Secret number 19, the mileage myth killer. Forget what your owner's manual says about oil changes. I've rebuilt enough engines to tell you this. The 10,000-mile oil change recommendation is designed to get you out of warranty, not to maximize your engine's life. Here's my professional formula. Highway drivers, 6,000 miles maximum. City drivers, 4,000 miles maximum. Performance cars, 3,000 miles, no exceptions. But here's the game changer most people miss. Once a month, drop some oil from your dipstick onto a paper towel. If it spreads like water and looks honey-colored, you're good. If it's black and thick like syrup, change it immediately, regardless of mileage. The invisible killers, small parts, massive consequences. Secret number 18, the $15 catastrophe preventer. This little $15 part prevents more engine disasters than everything else combined. Your air filter. Think of your engine like your lungs. Would you run a marathon while breathing through a dirty sock? That's exactly what a clogged air filter does to your engine. A dirty filter creates a lean fuel mixture, which sounds good, but actually increases combustion temperatures to over 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to literally melt your pistons. Replace it every 12,000 miles, or whenever it looks like it's survived a sandstorm. Secret number 17, the invisible fluid check. Here's a 5-minute routine that prevents 85% of roadside emergencies. Every first Saturday of the month, check these 5 fluids. Engine oil, we covered this. Brake fluid, should be clear, not brown. Power steering fluid, smooth consistency. Transmission fluid, bright red, not burnt smell. Coolant, 50-50 mix, no floating particles. If any of these looks like chocolate milk or smells like death, you've got contamination that'll cost thousands if ignored. Secret number 16, the carbon assassin. Modern gasoline is basically garbage compared to what engines actually need. The EPA's minimum detergent standards are like using dish soap to clean your fine china. It technically works, but you're slowly destroying everything. Every 5,000 miles, add a bottle of quality fuel system cleaner. I recommend Chevron Techron or Lucas Fuel Treatment. This prevents the carbon buildup that chokes your engine and costs $2,000 to professionally clean. The precision maintenance, where professionals separate from amateurs. Secret number 15, belt psychology. Your engine belts are like the ligaments in your knee. You don't think about them until they snap, and then everything stops working. Here's what mechanics know that you don't. Belts don't just break, they give you warning signs first. Warning signs checklist: squealing when starting, belt stretch, visible cracks or fraying, glazed appearance, overheating, more than 5 years old, rubber deteriorates. Replace your serpentine belt every 60,000 miles, timing belt every 80,000 miles. Yes, it costs $800 to $1,200, but it's cheaper than the $8,000 engine rebuild you'll need when they snap. Secret number 14, cooling system mastery. Your coolant doesn't just prevent freezing. It's a complex chemical cocktail that prevents corrosion, lubricates your water pump, and maintains precise operating temperatures. Every 30,000 miles, flush your entire cooling system, not just drain and fill, flush. Old coolant becomes acidic and literally eats your engine from the inside out. Secret number 13, transmission immortality. Your transmission contains more precision-engineered components than a Swiss watch, yet most people treat it like a medieval siege weapon. Here's the truth about that lifetime transmission fluid. The only lifetime it refers to is the warranty period. After that, you're on your own. Change your transmission fluid every 50,000 miles for normal driving, every 30,000 miles if you tow, drive in mountains, or live in extreme climates. This single maintenance item prevents 95% of transmission failures. The advanced techniques, professional level care. Secret number 12, brake fluid betrayal. Your brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air like a sponge. Over 24 months, it can absorb enough water to drop its boiling point by 100 degrees. What does this mean? When you're driving down a mountain with hot brakes, your brake fluid can literally boil, creating vapor bubbles that make your brakes feel like stepping on a sponge. Flush your brake fluid every 2 years, no exceptions. Your life literally depends on it. Secret number 11, the hidden destroyer. That white, crusty buildup on your battery terminals isn't just ugly, it's slowly murdering your entire electrical system. Battery corrosion increases electrical resistance, which makes your alternator work harder, which makes it die faster, which kills your battery, which strands you at the worst possible moment. Clean your terminals every 3 months with baking soda and water, then coat them with petroleum jelly. Takes 10 minutes, prevents $500 in electrical repairs. Secret number 10, tire economics. Improperly maintained tires don't just wear out faster, they destroy everything they're connected to. We're talking suspension components, wheel bearings, even transmission stress from inconsistent rolling resistance. Check pressure monthly. Use the number on your door jamb, not the tire sidewall. Rotate every 6,000 miles, align annually. Proper tire maintenance alone can extend your car's life by 100,000 miles. The expert level, where enthusiasts excel. Secret number 9, lubrication mastery. Your car has dozens of moving parts that aren't connected to the oil system. Door hinges, hood latches, suspension bushings, they all need attention. Every 6 months, spend an hour with white lithium grease and some spray lubricant. Lubricate every pivot point, hinge, and moving component you can find. This prevents thousands in suspension repairs and keeps everything moving smoothly. Secret number 8, the inspection protocol. Professional fleets inspect their vehicles every 5,000 miles because vehicles are their livelihood. Your car should get the same attention. Create a checklist. All fluid levels and colors, belt condition and tension, hose integrity, squeeze test, tire condition and pressure, brake pad thickness, battery terminals, air filter condition. This 30-minute inspection every 5,000 miles prevents 90% of major breakdowns. Secret number 7, driving psychology. Here's a hard truth. How you drive affects your car's lifespan more than anything else on this list. Aggressive acceleration and braking doesn't just waste fuel, it creates heat, stress, and wear throughout your entire vehicle. Engine components, transmission, brakes, suspension, everything suffers. Learn to drive smoothly. Anticipate stops, accelerate gradually, maintain steady speeds. Your car will literally last twice as long. The professional secrets, industry insider knowledge. Secret number 6, parts strategy. Here's what dealers don't want you to know. You don't always need OEM parts, but you need to be strategic about when to use them. Always OEM, engine internals, transmission components, safety systems. OEM preferred, suspension parts, electrical components. Aftermarket, okay, filters, belts, hoses, bulbs, fluids. The key is buying from reputable manufacturers, not the cheapest option on the internet. Secret number 5, rust prevention warfare. Rust is cancer for cars. It starts small and spreads until your vehicle is structurally unsound. In salt-heavy environments, rust can total a car in just 5 years. Annual undercoating costs $200, but prevents thousands in rust damage. Also, wash your undercarriage monthly, especially after driving on salted roads. Secret number 4, seasonal adaptations. Your maintenance schedule should change with the seasons. Winter, thicker oil viscosity, battery load testing, tire pressure checks. Cold air drops PSI. Summer, cooling system stress testing, AC refrigerant levels, hot weather fluid checks. Spring and fall, comprehensive inspections, fluid changes, preparation for extreme weather. The ultimate secrets, master level understanding. Secret number 3, the diagnostic mindset. Modern cars are constantly monitoring themselves through hundreds of sensors. Learn to listen to what your car is telling you. changes in engine sound, vibrations at specific speeds, slight performance differences, dashboard warning lights. Never ignore these. Address small issues immediately. They're always cheaper to fix than the major problems they become. Secret number 2, the documentation system. Keep obsessive records of every service, repair, and observation. This isn't just for resale value, it helps you identify patterns and predict future maintenance needs. Use a smartphone app or simple notebook. Log dates, mileage, services performed, and any observations. Secret number 1, the mindset shift. Here's the ultimate secret that separates million-mile cars from the rest. Treat your car like a valuable tool, not a disposable appliance. Every decision you make, how you drive, when you service, which parts you buy, should be made with long-term thinking. Your car is either appreciating or depreciating based on your actions. The million-mile promise. There you have it, 20 professional secrets that can transform any car into a million-mile machine.